Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure the iPad Air M2 is running iPad OS 18 or newer and plugged in if battery is low. Sign in with your Apple ID and enable iCloud syncing for mail, contacts, and photos so Apple Intelligence has useful context. Then go to Settings, find Apple Intelligence, and toggle the main switches and personalization options on. This gives the system permission to analyze local data, so it can give smarter suggestions and compose replies. Do this now to activate the foundation. Once done with basic enabling, you fine-tune what Apple Intelligence can access and why. You go into the same Apple Intelligence pane and pick specific apps, messages, mail, notes, calendar, so suggestions are relevant to your workflows. Make sure to choose the personalization level that matches your privacy comfort. Enhanced gives better behavior but may use more resources, while full local processing keeps data on device. Also enable on-device processing and review analytics settings, because that reduces cloud exposure and you now use the features. Open Mail or Notes, start a draft, and tap Suggest or Rewrite to see Apple Intelligence generate text. That demonstrates how prompts translate into action. Make use of live actions from the lock screen or gestures to get quick summaries, search enhancements, and contextual replies across apps. If things go wrong, restart the iPad, confirm iCloud Sync is active, and retoggle Apple Intelligence settings. This often forces a resync. If problems persist, sign out and back into Apple ID to refresh permissions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.